Hello, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great? TDS, guys. Now, there were a lot of great earnings plays today. This is an earnings play, but why I want to point this one out is, and what I've been saying in the trading room, is that if you take a look, just got to drag this, hopefully I can drag it over. Take a look at this, the 10-day daily breakout. Notice it's here at 1170, 936 at 1170. That was the price. And it also showed up a little bit later on my option scanner, 1272. Now you might say, well, that's way too late. Not really. 1272, and it got all the way up to 1440. So what I'm really telling people or showing people is that, if you get an alert on two different types of scanners, you really should be paying attention to it. And that's why the TDS turned out to be such a great play, in my opinion. Two different scanners, types of scanners, showing the same symbol. You got to pay attention to it. All right, guys, have a great weekend, and we'll see you Monday. Bye-bye.